upbeat music plays, camera zooms in on the table featuring the Logitech Z313 and LENRUE speakers. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a sound showdown between the Logitech Z313 2.1 multimedia speaker system and the LENRUE computer speakers. If you're eager to enhance your audio experience without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about price. The Logitech Z313 comes in at $59, which is a reasonable price for its features. However, the LENRUE speakers are priced at just $39, making them $20 cheaper. Reviewers have noted that the LENRUE is a great bargain for budget-conscious buyers, while Logitech is seen as a good value for its quality and performance. In this round, LENRUE takes the win for affordability. Next is sound quality. The Logitech Z313 boasts a maximum output of 25 watts and is praised for its strong bass and clear sound across various music genres. However, some users mentioned it lacks power compared to higher-end models. In contrast, LENRUE speakers are noted for their clear and loud sound without static, although some reviews pointed out that the sound can feel dry and lacks warmth. If you're looking for a thumping bass experience, Logitech might edge out here, but for clarity without annoying pops, LENRUE could be the better choice. Now, let's move on to setup and compatibility. The Logitech Z313 is simple to set up. Just connect it to the subwoofer and plug it in. Reviewers found it user-friendly, even for non-tech-savvy users. On the other hand, LENRUE offers a plug-and-play experience with a USB-C to USB adapter, making it compatible with various devices without needing drivers. Many users appreciated the ease of setup with LENRUE, making it a strong contender for ease of use. Finally, let's discuss design and features. The Logitech Z313 sports a classic design with a control pod for volume and headphone controls, but it's not particularly stylish. Meanwhile, LENRUE comes with touch lights and a 55-inch cable, allowing for flexible placement and adding a bit of flair with its RGB lights. Reviewers love the fun design of LENRUE, making it a more appealing option for those looking to add some personality to their setup. Overall, the reviews highlight that the Logitech Z313 is appreciated for its strong bass and clear sound, making it a good option for music lovers. However, some users felt it lacked power compared to more expensive models. On the other hand, LENRUE speakers are praised for their affordability and easy setup, although some users noted concerns about sound quality and durability. Both products have their unique strengths. That wraps up our comparison. Both the Logitech Z313 and LENRUE computer speakers have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Do you prefer the booming bass of Logitech or the budget-friendly and stylish LENRUE? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Until next time, keep shopping smart.